Sharing a Claude AI conversation with someone else takes less than a minute. Open up the specific chat history inside Claude that you want to pass along. Look over at the top right corner of your browser window or app screen, and you will see a small white button that says Share. Now, go ahead and click that button once. As soon as you do, a small menu will pop up in the middle of your screen titled Share Chat. Right now, the check mark is sitting next to Keep Private. To change this, you need to click the option right below it that says Create Public Link. Once you select that, look down at the bottom right corner of that box and click the black button that says Create Share Link. Now, here's the important thing you need to keep in mind about this feature. This link only captures the exact messages up to this specific moment. If you continue talking to Claude in this thread later on, the other person will not see those new responses. If you want them to see the updated text, you will have to come back and generate a brand new link. On top of that, anyone who gets a hold of this URL can view the entire discussion. So make sure you do not have personal information sitting in the chat history before you hit send. Once you click that black button, the system automatically copies the URL straight to your clipboard. You can now open up an email, a text message, or a Slack channel and paste it directly to your friend. If you ever change your mind down the road, you can click that same Share button and toggle it back to private to delete access completely. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.